Smart, connected products raise a new set of strategic choices about how value is created and captured, how companies work with traditional and new partners, and how they secure competitive advantages as the new capabilities reshape industry boundaries. With all this innovation going on, it is easy to overlook one fundamental property. Any piece of technology ultimately only becomes useful when it is able to interact with us humans in a meaningful way. To achieve that, an interface that serves as the link between the digital world and us is necessary. In a smart product context, we call these interfaces smart service touchpoints. The way such touchpoints are exactly designed is highly dependent on the specific use case. In our team project, we looked at a real-world smart product called the Energy Cube that is being developed by Unicorn Energy. The Energy Cube is an innovative modular energy storage solution that provides an uninterrupted power supply to its customers in case of emergency.
The technology provider is interested in collecting and analyzing usage data from deployed batteries to improve the R&D operations. Since the data can be stored remotely in a database, there's no need for a dedicated interface to analyze in-field behavior. The service operator gets a landing page that gives a brief overview of the system's current state. Now, if they need more information for troubleshooting, they can access the individual batteries and view the product log. If the state of health indicates necessary maintenance, the operator can immediately make an appointment with the customer. The customer gets a simplified version of the landing page that signifies at first glance if everything is working as intended. They can view their notification history and they are able to approve or reschedule appointments with the service operator. For ease of use, the FAQ section already answers common questions. For more specific requests, the chat field is directly connected to customer support. Communication tools like chatbots, FAQ systems, or chat boxes have proven to be a success factor in web design. They provide easier access to information and a feeling of control to the customer, and simultaneously facilitate data acquisition on the company's side. This is why we see a great opportunity to bring smart service touchpoints to the next level by implementing direct communication between the distinct touchpoints. When carefully tailored to the environment, we expect communication tools to improve the user experience, amplify the customer-provider relationship, condense communication flow, and thus create a progressive artifact that serves as an example for general smart service touchpoints in information systems.